You ever parked your Honda and noticed that after a little bit there's a humming or a moaning sound coming from the vehicle? And when you try to pinpoint that noise, it's coming from the gas tank area? Well, more than likely it's the two-way valve that's part of the evap system. And the job of that two-way valve is to vent excess fuel tank pressure to the evap canister. So if it's doing its job right, you'll hear that venting process in the form of a humming or a moaning sound. And it's definitely more prevalent if the outside temperature is hot, like out here where I live, or if there's not a lot of fuel in the tank. Those are definitely contributing factors to that noise. And if you're not sure if it's really the two-way valve or if it's something else, when you hear that noise, the easiest way to check it or verify it is just go right to your gas tank and take the gas cap off while it's making that noise. And if the noise immediately goes away, then you know that it's the two-way valve making the noise. And if it is making noise like that, that's perfectly normal. That's a normal operation for it to do that. Some vehicles, you can hear it louder than others, but it's definitely a normal characteristic and nothing to be worried about if that is the problem. Well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this little tip on two-way valves as part of the evap system. And as always, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.